Hi everyone, welcome back to Shelf Love. This is Shama and I'm going to talk about a book that has been on internet and all over the world because it got the Booker Prize 2025. Yes, you have guessed it. It is called Heart Lamp. I'm going to talk about this book on today's video. So let's get started. Before we talk about this book itself, let's talk about the writer. And Banu Mushtaq is a Kannada writer, and she's from Karnataka, of course, and she is well known for this specific book that got her Booker Prize in 2025. And now we will be talking about the book itself. Heart Lamp specifically talks about Kannada Muslim women who has been suffered because of patriarchy and misogyny, and how their religion has always put them down, and how their individuality has been questioned and taken away from them. And this is not just the problem of India or Karnad, it is about the whole world, and how Muslim women have been treated for centuries. And this has a very subtle way of questioning the patriarchy. It doesn't really talk about the outrageous ways of men behaving with women, but it has all the subtlety, and at the same time it also talks about how men think it's okay to marry 3, 4, 5 women, and that's fine, and the whole society supports them, and how women were treated and they think that is okay. And the whole book and all the stories are so beautifully written and so beautifully portrayed. It has that Indian touch, and everything about this book is really nice. I'm not going to say that all the stories were brilliant, but most of the stories were really amazing, and I'm going to list out some of my favorite short stories from this book. So let's talk about that in the next session. So the short stories that I liked the most from this book was Black Cobras, A Decision of the Heart, then Hat Lamp itself, High Heel Shoes, The Arabic Teacher, and Gobi Manchuri, and Be a Woman Once, Oh Lord. So I would recommend these short stories for sure. And after that, all the other short stories are really brilliant, and I'm very proud and happy that Banu Mushtaq got this Booker Prize, and she is a brilliant writer as far as I could understand from the book I read. And I would definitely try my hands on the other books of the same writer. And I hope you like this review, and I hope you like the book if you read it, and if you have already read it, we can talk about this in the comment section. So now I shall have to say goodbye to all of you. Enjoy your day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.